Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install LLVM Compiler version 11 on Debian 11 Bulls Eye operating system. So LLVM 11 is a bit old compiler version. Anyway, in Debian 11, it is a default version of LLVM. Okay, so the default supported version for Debian 11 Bulls Eye is LLVM 11. So this is the command to install LLVM 11 compiler. So here you can see that additional and new packages will be installed. So review the packages before you proceed to install. So make sure that you have fast internet connection in order to download and install the LLVM packages. So installation in progress. Yes. So here LLVM compiler 11 version installed successfully. Clang, press tab. Yes, you can see so much commands are available. So Clang and Clang-11 are same. Clang++ and Clang++-11 are same. Both are same. Which means that default version is 11. So that is the meaning here. So you can install multiple version of LLVM compilers parallelly. So separate directories and commands will be created for each and every version. So no problem, you can install multiple version. Okay, now I am going to show you how to compile and run C and C++ programs. So this is my C and C++ program, welcome.c and hello.cpp. So this will print the welcome message. Okay, so these programs simply print the welcome message. So first I am going to show you how to compile the C program using LLVM 11. Yes, I can able to compile and run the C program. Next, let me compile and run the C++ program. Yes, I can able to compile and run C++ program also. So now I am going to show you one important thing. Clang-h, that is -h means it will print all the header files used by this program. For C, you can see lot of header files are loaded in the memory stack. So these are the header files used by single C program. So next I am going to show for C++, Clang++-h. See here for C++, lot of header files are loaded. In a memory stack, lot of header files are loaded for a single C++ program. So this command will be useful for the beginners, those who are searching for the location of header files, where it is located, what header files it is using, etc. So basically all the header files are located under /usr/include directory. So this is the include directory. Contains header files or C and C++, and C++ you can see separate folder is there. And LLVM also you can see separate folder is created. So this is LLVM 11 folder, separate header files for LLVM 11. So as I told earlier, multiple versions of LLVM can be installed parallelly. So separate directories and commands will be created. Okay, finally, LLVM 11, that is Clang LLVM 11 compiler installation on Debian 11 Bulls Eye operating system is successful. Check the Debian 11 repository before proceeding to install for what are the versions available. Okay.